I'm gonna take you guys over to where I'll be hunting the next couple of days. It's December 27th today, and the season ends on January 1st. It's Saturday. I got some deer corn here. I'm gonna go throw out a little bit of deer corn that I have left over and show you my climbing stand and where I'll be hunting. Tomorrow is the Lord's Day. Me and my family, we will be in church all day, pretty much. And I wouldn't have it any other way. So we'll have church Sunday, but Monday morning and Monday evening, Tuesday morning, Tuesday evening, Wednesday morning and Wednesday evening. I'm gonna try to put one down one more time before the season is up. And man, I know that you wouldn't want to miss if I was able to put a deer down. But right now we're approaching right where I'm going to be hunting. We have this this field here. We're going to walk right up through here somewhere, dump corn right on the center, and then we'll come back and we'll walk this wood line right around, and I'm going to be sitting somewhere right here overlooking this and hope we can put one down. Whew. Gotta watch out for the briars, my goodness. I gotta make sure I put it in a good area. She's empty. All right, so we got our corn out. We're gonna walk right up here. I shouldn't have worn my nice jeans out here. I didn't realize there's so many briars. Hopefully no one stole my climber. That'd be insane, wouldn't it? Hopefully no one stole my climber. That'd be insane. But I sure as heck don't see it. Oh, there it is. Shoo! Okay. So, my climber's in a different spot than I thought. I haven't been out here in over a month. All right, but check this out. We've walked in from over there, walked across, dumped the deer corn, and then we walked over here. And my tree stand is right in that tree there. Maybe you can see it. That's where I'll be hunting. And then we'll hunt over this in the next couple of days. So if that's interesting to you, I hope that you like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next one.